Great quality at a great value has arrived with the EVGA GQ series power supply lineup. These modular power supplies offer unrivaled quality at a great value, including a full 5-year warranty backed by EVGA award-winning support, and are available in gold-rated efficiencies from wattages ranging from a high-end enthusiast 1000 watt unit down to a high-performance 650 watt unit. These power supplies also feature EVGA Eco Mode for the ultimate in silent operation with fans that do not turn on until necessary. 100% high-quality Japanese capacitors are used for unrivaled performance, and a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan for long lifespan and whisper silent operation. A modular interface gives you flexibility over cable selection for a clean and efficient PC, along with a single plus 12V rail offering up to 83.3 amps. All built into an active clamp DC to DC layout for the most efficient design possible. And of course, 80+ Gold certified, offering up to 90% efficiency at typical loads. Get great quality at a great value today with the EVGA GQ Power Supply Series.
Hey guys, Nathaniel here from Thermaltake, and today we're taking a look at our brand new Toughpower Grand RGB power supply unit. This is an analog version of the previous DPSG model that we've stocked, though this one comes with many of the same great features, just at a much more affordable price. Today we're unboxing the 750 watt Toughpower variant. There is also a 650 and an 850 watt if you're interested. Now, inside the box we've got printed versions of your warranties and instruction manuals. These are all in a nice plastic resealable bag, so you can put these somewhere safe for later. You'll also notice that the body of the power supply is actually encased in foam. This is so that it's safe and it's not collecting dust when it's in transit. We've also got this black bag which is sealed with Velcro, and that has your usual AC power cable and a set of black cable ties. Then we've got all of the cables and connectors for the power supply itself, which are all modular as well. And lastly, we do have the power supply body here in protective black foam with its nice little black dust cover, just to make doubly sure that it doesn't pick up anything in transit. Now, these power supplies are 80+ Gold certified with up to a 90% efficiency rating. The capacitors in here are quality Japanese productions, which means that they're strong and reliable over a long period of time. In fact, for that added little peace of mind, these also do have a 10-year manufacturer warranty as well. And of course, all of the power supplies in this range are fully modular with flat black cables. So in the box, we've got one Molex cable, we've got one CPU power cable, we've got two PCI Express cables with 6 and 8 pin connectors, we've got 3 SATA cables, the AC power cord, and the motherboard main power, of course. Now, whichever ones you don't need, you can of course store away for later in the supplied bag as well. So these power supplies are ultra quiet with our Smart Zero fan technology. Once you turn that on, the fan doesn't actually kick in until it reaches 20% load. And even then, it only packs out at 26.3 decibels. And this power supply comes with a 256 color ring fan, built-in memory, and 5 optional color modes. If we tick through those, we've got a red one, green, blue, white, off, and a color cycling mode. Now that built-in memory means that every time you turn on your PC, it's going to remember where you were last time and bring up the same color every time. So that's what you get straight out of the box with one of the new Toughpower Grand RGB power supply units. These are going to be available from late December 2016 in 650, 750, and 850 watt variants. And they're coming in at a US MSRP of $89, $99, and $119.
Hi everybody, I'm John Giroux, and I'm here today to talk to you about Corsair's new AX series power supply. This replaces our previous 80+ Platinum version with an 80+ Titanium version. That means that at 20% and 50% load, the power supply is 2% more efficient than an 80+ Titanium model. That means the power supply has to meet 92% and 94% efficiency at those loads. At 100% load, the power supply has to meet 90% efficiency. And there's a new requirement for titanium, where at 10% load, the power supply has to be at least 90% efficient. It's quieter, runs cooler. We have a new ID, as you can see here. It looks quite different than our previous model. Still fully modular, and it still has the 0 RPM fan mode and 0 RPM fan mode switch that allows you to run the fan at a low RPM at lower loads. We've also included a set of magnetic side labels so you can select a color that matches your PC's color scheme, whether it's red, white, or blue, or you can stick with our default cool gray color. Another cool thing about the magnetic side labels is it allows you to orient your PSU either fan down or fan up, and because they're magnetic, no matter how your power supply is oriented inside your PC, you can always make sure that your label is facing right side up. So this new Corsair AX titanium power supply comes in 850 watt and 1000 watt, and if you want to know more information about them, head on over to Corsair.com.
Introducing the NZXT E-Series ATX power supplies, available in 850, 650, and 500 watt configurations. The compact, full modular E-Series PSUs offer digital voltage and temperature monitoring for precise, real-time information about your PSU, including uptime, wattage by rail, and temperature. Backed by an industry-leading 10-year warranty and built with top-quality components, the NZXT E-Series PSUs are the perfect addition to your gaming PC. The E-Series power supplies are the first PSUs with built-in power-on time calculations worldwide, allowing users to track how long the PSU has been running since it was manufactured. Store and track key data using our free CAM software so you'll always have an accurate picture of your PSU's health. Get real-time wattage indicators for the 3 12-volt rails, along with total uptime and internal temperatures. Monitor power consumption on your CPU and GPU power rails. Rated at 80 plus gold and manufactured with top quality components, including 105 degrees Celsius rated Japanese capacitors, our E-Series PSUs are backed by a 10-year warranty, giving you both peace of mind and clean, reliable power for your PC gaming system. With our enhanced digital design, the NZXT E-Series PSU provides precise overpower protection at 130% of rated power, protecting your components from damage and increasing safety and reliability. NZXT E-Series PSUs can be software configured to either single rail or multi-rail OCP, and the level can be adjusted for both the 4+4 CPU and 6 or 8-pin 12-volt GPU rails, respectively, allowing advanced users to set the OCP trigger points based on the specifications of their components. The NZXT E-Series PSUs are available now at our authorized retail locations. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on our products, and be sure to visit nzxt.com for more information.